Tropical update as of 11 p.m. PST, June 20th. Tropical storm Bret is strengthening up to 45 knots based on the satellite intensity with TEF and sub. And you can clearly see a CDO trying to reform. Anticyclone has reshifted back over it, so it's becoming better organized once again. I mean, it could get up to 50, 55 knots in the next 12 to 24 hours before it starts audibly weakening as it moves into the Caribbean in the next 36 to 72 hours. It's going to be more affected by the taut and unfavorable conditions once in the Caribbean. EHC says 55 knots for the peak, I agree. Then followed by weakening as it moves into the Caribbean. It's moving to 8 by 15. Should move westward through the Caribbean. Here's the latest track. Dissipates late Saturday, which is in line with the models. Clearly westward. GFS. Most models do weaken it into a remnant low. GPS kind of keeps it a little bit stronger. Intensity guidance weakening the depression in general in the next 72 to 84 hours. So conditions don't look very favorable in the Caribbean for this system. The GFS, there's 48 hours as it moves into the Caribbean. The system behind 93 also looks like it's becoming better organized tonight, finally. LSC, convection. This thing will probably become a depression. Definitely has solid model support. We could take a look at the data for it. Westward in the next couple of days, then westward, then northwestward out to sea. Has been pretty damn persistent within the models. While we get a strong tropical storm, definitely 96 hours, 1004. Well, it dissipates Bret. Got another system we're going to be watching in the Eastern Pacific. It starts spinning up around this period. And now it has 40% chance of development. I mean, we'll see. It's been really, really quiet in the Eastern Pacific. Go to 144. Clearly, we got a few closed isobars in the Eastern Pacific. 168. Definitely 982 off Central America, another system coming off Acapulco. ECMWF, low pressure off Acapulco. CMC, let's go to 120. Definitely a tropical cyclone off Acapulco. Let's go to 168. I'm going to say, so I think there's probably about a 70% chance of development of something in the next 7 to 10 days in the East Pacific. But exactly where it will be pinned down in the future. Well, that's your tropical update for tonight.